people, I salute you now. This day will be the 8th of December 2021. My name now Omo Ikaire. The program now waiting day for top of our Nigerian newspaper, for top of GTV Nigeria. Make we enter the first newspaper today will be the 8th of December 2021. We don't enter Punch. Punch tell us about that secret that Omicron, now they call them COVID-19 they do it. This one self don't see enter. Okay, the front page they tell us say Omicron, NCAA list new body rules, airlines risk ban. NCAA list new body rules, airlines risk ban. Okay, we're going to be NCAA. Now, the Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority say international airlines go pay £3,500 enter the country wey not obey with the federal government reverse the COVID-19 protocol. And the other one wey dey for inside the Punch newspaper will be this 8th of December 2021. The next story for inside Punch tell us say FGMDA's bar unvaccinated visitors. Lagos to demand jab cards at parties. It don't shell him. He say federal government MDA's bar unvaccinated visitors. Lagos demand jab cards at parties. Who talk am? Now the chairman of the Presidential Steering Committee on COVID-19 and secretary to the COVID-19 to the state government of the federation wey name na Boss Mustapha na him talk am. So if una no carry that certificate wey dem take give you na vaccination, make una no enter some offices. Dem come dey push am well well. Matter dey for inside the Punch newspaper. Okay, the next story for inside Punch tell us say National Assembly NGF fourth UK travel ban demand reversal. That's why I say they don't top to. They say National Assembly NGF the Nigeria Governor Forum fourth UK travel ban demand reversal. Say make they reverse that thing. That thing you just say go work as they talk am. The full tori for just buy this newspaper where it be Punch, you go see the full tori for inside. Okay, the last one for Punch tell us say bandits occupy Zamfara highway, kill 7 travelers, burn vehicles. So they for inside Punch newspaper. We don't come up for Punch. Make we enter Vanguard. What if Vanguard they tell us today will be the 8th of December 2021 for top of GTV Nigeria. Okay, Vanguard tell us say Nigeria to collaborate with Belarus for mutual benefit. No, our president Okamo Buhari say Nigeria make they do collabo with Belarus for mutual benefit. Our president, our Nigerian president, wey about Muhammadu Buhari, na him talk this matter for inside the Vanguard newspaper. Okay, the next one tell us say police arrest suspected killer of a district head in Katsina. Police arrest suspected killer of district head in Katsina State. This story dey for inside Vanguard newspaper. The next story for inside Vanguard say resign now if you have political ambition. What they talk about? Na Abiodun dey tell him appointees. He say resign now if you have political ambition. Na the governor wey dey na Dakpo Abiodun of Ogun State na dey tell people say make una resign now. Na no say na get one to that team on that political thing una wan still do. The tori dey for inside the Vanguard newspaper. The next story for inside Vanguard tell us say 2023 Dokpesi drum support for Atiku. He say he wan make Atiku come for 2023 as president. For 2023 Dokpesi drum support for Atiku. Na the chairman of that communication PSC wey dey na Chief Raymond Dokpesi. No say na be oga for that TV station wey they call AIT. He say he dey beat drum say he support Atiku for 2023. The full tori open the port, you will see the full tori for inside the Vanguard newspaper. We don't come up for Vanguard, maybe enter leadership. What is leadership we want lead us to this morning? Today will be the 8th of December 2021. Okay, for that Sylvester Oromoni, that boy where they say if people kill, junior boys, they say because he not John Court away from a Darwin College. The parents they say they want they say demand change of management. Okay, the full story say, he said Sylvester Oromoni during college parents demand change of management. Say make dem change all the ogas wey dey that school, because where, if you open the part of the story, where una dey when they beat, because from the wetin the mama, the parents, the papa of the boy talk, he say they carry the boy, they go a room, they drag am from the bed, maybe the bed na high bed or anywhere, they drag am put for ground, they come dey beat am. They come say make all the students wey dey the room make dem quiet, to make dem not talk. Say dem talk say na dem beat am, dem go kill dem. Now they come lie say na ball na e go play. They come poison, they come put something wey the thing be like substance. If you observe, the boy mouth pee, they come put something for him mouth, make him for drink am. They come dey match am for body. That boy una go many church. So the parents now for this leadership newspaper, they tell us now say Sylvester Oromoni during college parents demand change of management. Yes, make dem change the management. Make dem say wetin happen, where una dey when this thing dey happen. 14-year-old boy, I been like 12 years. We dey do it now. We dey do a birthday for am. May he so rest in peace. Because for when they do am justice, so he go take it course. Okay, may we take another one for inside the leadership newspaper. Sanwo-Olu rose riot acts to government officials over sabotage. The Lagos State Governor, when Babajide Sanwo-Olu, I told you, say Sanwo-Olu rose riot act to government officials over sabotage. This story dey for inside the leadership newspaper. As you remember, say they won't even do candlelight sef for this pikin when he died. They won't do it today. This Sylvester Oromoni, they want the other parents and students of that school, they won't do candlelight for the boy today. May he so rest in perfect peace. The next story now for inside the leadership say Lagos Chief Coroner invites Oromoni family to meetings. Yes, the Lagos Chief Coroner invites Oromoni family to meeting. Wetin that in name na Justice Mojisola Dada. Wetin be coroner? Coroner mean say when person just die like that, not be say they suspect something, so they won't do torchlighting. They won't check, because the way the thing dey happen, the thing not go down. And like be say they can't invite the chief coroner, the chief coroner can't invite the family, they invite Oromoni family. Then they come meeting. Yes, when they talk the matter well, because the way it happen, not be say the way the boy take die, they smell something. So the coroner go do your torchlighting for that matter. The full story dey for inside the leadership newspaper. Okay, for inside the leadership, before we enter our entertainment news today, the last one for leadership and for the newspaper today will be the 8th of December 2021. Omicron and the politics of travel ban. This one dey for inside the leadership newspaper. We gonna find out the full story for the matter. Okay, make we enter entertainment news. Just one for entertainment news today. Now, not that Aki Apopo, that Nollywood actor, wey name na actor Chinedu Ikedieze, where they know well as Aki. So he can't get one picture when he take with one boy. When he take that picture, and the picture now be this one. When he take the picture, he can't kneel down. Take the picture. He follow and come say, what dey make you kneel down? Why you not stand? That they smell something. You know, say people they talk. That wetin dey for inside the entertainment news for today. They say na pikin go for the tea, right? Father and son. If that pikin good, now listen, don't see born one pikin. That na all we take for today. One another day. My name na Omo Ikayere. I'll see you now tomorrow for top of GTV Nigeria. Una bye bye.